All right, so let's work on example exercise number 8 on test 2 part 1. So first, again, just draw your forces. So you have mg, then we have also the tension, and then mg. All right, so let's figure out also our equations. So we're gonna use for m2 is gonna be m2g minus the tension equals m2a, because this is right here. Remember, it's sum of forces. Then to get our equations, it's gonna be 10 minus first block is gonna be m1g equals m1a, and 2 will be m2g minus t equals m2a. So these are the equations that we're going to be using to solve the problem. Let's move to the side. If we're given the software T1 or block 1, tension is m1g plus m1a, and our tension of mass 1 is 10. Our grams, right, let's move it to 10 plus 10. So 10, and our acceleration, it will be, let me see, 90. So we're missing our acceleration. So let's look for our acceleration, because I forgot that we need our acceleration for tension. So let's equal these two things together to find our acceleration. So m2 minus m1g equals m1 plus m2a. Now, if we move this, it'll be m2 minus m1g over m1 plus m2. Now, if we just plug in, all we're getting is 100 minus 10. And then it'll be 110 times gravity. So acceleration is 90 over 110 gravity, which comes out to 9. It comes out to 90 divided by 110. 8.18 meters per second. So since we now got our acceleration, we could plug it into our original thing, which was 90 times 10. So it'll be 90 times 110 times gravity, and our tension comes out to, yes, so this is our tension. All right, so let's solve now for tension. And tension, it will be, or for 1, right, for tension for 1, it will be T equals m1g equals m1a equals. So we have, we have tension equals our mass, which is 10, and times our acceleration plus 10 plus the gravity, plus the, so it's 10 and accelerate, okay, yeah, 8. So we end up with, when we figure this whole thing out, we end up with 10 says this 180 newtons. Now for 2, we have tension is, when we arrange all our equation, we have m2 grams minus m2 8. So we got 100 times 10 minus 10 times 8. We end up with 80. No, I missed. So more or less, we end up with roughly the same newtons, because this was, I had a decimal in acceleration, so it was a 0.18. So this roughly comes out to 181. So they equal each other.